promoting Igbo and Nigeria culture all over the world. We are promoting unity. We are promoting relationship. We are promoting understanding. We are promoting businesses. We are promoting education. We are promoting love. We are promoting a lot of things. So we flying in from Ghana to attend this occasion. We are very happy. You can see all my brothers, the chiefs in the palace. We are so much happy, and many more in there. So it is our prayers that these organizations, champions newspaper, will keep growing from strength to strength, and also keep recognizing important people in Nigeria, and also those that are uncovered, they should also be recovered, so that people will know good work of the people. It's not just only when people are doing tremendous change, but people can also change in the other way around by advising people, or even to support people that are in so many problems. And this program today is not a program that I spent one dime. It's a program that I was discovered, and my elders were discovered. The Ndi Igbo Ghana were discovered. That's why we're preaching there. Black women is there. Uche is here. Akunesobiki is here, and many other people came in to make sure that we honor this.
And the last question: what is your advice to Igbos in Ghana and Igbos in diaspora?
The advice is keep working hard. Igbos are known as hardworking people. Igbos are known as people that are very powerful in commerce, in education, in all sectors. So my advice to them is for them to keep it up and not to be tired.
Okay, let me ask you one sensitive question. I looked at your profile. One of the reasons why you were given the award was when you intervened when almost 500 Nigerians were about to be deported from Ghana, and when you also gave out palliative during the lockdown, and some water project and orphanage project you've done. Now, I want to ask you a question regarding the deportation issue. Were they deported? Because people are confused whether they were deported or not. And the second thing, you are being honored for the traders issue you are settling in Ghana. How is the traders issue? So
there's two things here. There is deportation and repatriation is different.
Okay.
They were not deported, but they were repatriated. Okay. They can come back to Ghana at any given time. Okay. When you are deported out of a country, you're going to stay 3 years before coming back. If you are repatriated, you can come back even the next evening. It all depends on your documentation. Okay. So these boys and girls will help the 540 something Nigerians that were stranded in Ghana. We help them, not just only me, I and the entire palace, the elders of the palace, or the chiefs. We supported them to make sure they traveled back to Nigeria, because people brought them in there, duped them and take their money by giving them fake promises of giving them job, and the job did not come out. So we keep doing all this. Not only this, there's some certain time of also immigration problems. You know, you cannot move into a country without documentation, without proper documentation. If those documentation is not there, that means you are an illegal immigrant over there in our country. But irrespective of all these things, we still stick our neck down to make sure our people are safe. We cannot, because their documents are improper or they are illegal immigrants, but they are not committing any crime, so we have to go into for them to support them. Some will give them transport to go home, some will give them home to live, some will give them business to do.
All right. On a final note, we have seen a number of people-oriented projects you've carried out in the Republic of Ghana as the Igbo monarch in Ghana. You have seen Youth Talk Lives, you have seen capital projects that you have executed with your team. How do you feel today that surprisingly we are nominated as one of the awardees for Champions Newspaper 2021-2022 annual award? How do you feel today?
We are happy. You say any mega achievement must be a collective effort and a collective support. So myself, the elders, well-wishers, my family, my wonderful wife that have been giving us every support that we needed, we all came together to make sure we support the people. So if I come in here today, not just me, but I came in here with my people, because this award is dedicated back to them. It is not just for me, because without them I cannot excel. Without them I cannot work hard. Without them I cannot move. If my wife did not give me peace at home, I cannot move. So these awards is for us. That's why we came. And the good things we are doing in Ghana is because we have human sympathy. when you can eat 2-3 times at home and feel comfortable, and others are there without eating food, we are touched. And that is why we have a lot of programs: Feeding the Hungry projects, empowering people, developing public toilets, that's public convenient areas, also developing boreholes to various communities, donating laptops in various communities for their schools and all that. We are doing this because we believe in human capacity, and also we believe for tomorrow. The children of today are the strength of tomorrow. All the support we are giving is not that we have it too much in abundance, but we are doing this because we love the next generation and the generation also.
Thank you very much, sir.
God bless.
God bless you.